If you're looking for robust and reliable DC control power circuit protection, you already know Automation Direct has you covered with a range of options, including two popular WAGO electronic circuit protector families: the 787-3861 single-channel electronic circuit protectors and the 787-1660 line multi-channel electronic circuit protectors. Let's talk about what they do, how to install them, and how to use their diagnostics and remote control features. WAGO's 787-3861 series are 24-volt DC, one-channel electronic circuit protectors designed to protect a single DC load path, while helping reduce downtime with clear status signaling. They're space-saving at 6 mm wide and reliably remove power in the event of an overload or short circuit on the secondary side. Installation is simple. Mount to the DIN rail per the product manual and standard panel practice. Wire your 24-volt DC supply to the inputs. These models include 2 voltage inputs to maximize common connection options. Wire the protected load to the outputs. There are 2 voltage outputs to simplify distribution and reduce wiring. There's a little easy configuration involved. On adjustable variants, set the trip current using the discrete settings provided for easy programming. Use the local switch or a remote input to switch the protector on-off. And use the front accessible reset button to restore operation after a trip. For diagnostics, you can configure the S2 output and report 7 different states, including tripped, triggered, manually switched off, and early load warnings, plus view status via the onboard LED indicators. During startup, time-delayed activation helps prevent overloads caused by inrush current in interconnected systems. The 787-1660 series expands that same concept into a multi-channel platform, available in 2, 4, and 8-channel versions, so you can protect multiple DC circuits in one device. Many models offer per-channel adjustable current, such as 0.5 to 6 amp ranges, and there are multi-channel configurations intended for different current needs across applications. Again, installation is simple. DIN rail mount the multi-channel module, then wire the 24-volt DC feed. Connect each load to its channel using push-in cage clamp terminals for fast, reliable wiring. There's a little more configuration here, depending on the model. Set each channel's rated current via the front selector, sealable on many models, to match the load. Each channel includes an illuminated 3-color button that simplifies on-off switching, resetting, and on-site diagnostics, supported by multicolor LED status indications. Outputs can be time-delayed, staggering startup and reducing inrush-related events. For automation, the remote input can reset trip channels and can switch channels using a pulse sequence approach. Some versions also provide status messaging via pulse sequence for monitoring. Multi-channel units incorporate active current limitation, helping keep healthy circuits isolated from a faulted circuit. Use 787-3861 when you want ultra-compact single-load protection with robust state reporting and simple common connection, and choose the 787-1660 series when you need multiple protected channels in one module with per-channel setup, push-button control, and remote pulse sequence operation. Either way, and for all your circuit protection needs, Automation Direct has the solutions you need. To find out more, visit www.AutomationDirect.com today. Click here to see more videos on circuit protection. Click here to check out our full line of electrical power products. Click here to subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay up to date on all new products and developments from Automation Direct.